Let's get some more work done on percent. 5 of the 25 girls on Alden Middle School's soccer team are 7th grade students. Find the percentage of 7th graders on the team. Show 2 different ways of solving for the answer. One must include a picture or diagram. Well, here's how I think is the easiest way. So now 5 out of 25. So what percentage? Well, percent is always, always, always out of 100. So what did I do to this 25 to turn it into 100? I multiplied it by 4. If I did it to the bottom, I have to do it to the top! 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 out of 100 equals 20%. Now if I want to show with a diagram, let's see, we're going to go like this. Let's see, 5 out of 25. Well, I could show it like this. Voila, that is 1/5, or 20%, or 5/25, or 5 out of 25, or if you're feeling fancy with the decimals, all different ways of saying 5 out of 25. Let's keep it going. Of the 25 girls on the Alden Middle School soccer team, 40% also play on a travel team. How many girls on the middle school also play on a travel team? So we know 40%, or 40 out of 100. And so we need to know how many out of 25. Well, what do I have to do to this 100 to turn it into the 25? That's right. I divide it by 4. And if I do it to the bottom, I must do it to the top. Divide by 4. 40 divided by 4 is 10. So 10 play on the travel team. Play on travel team. Boom. All right, last one before you're on your own. The Alden Middle School girls soccer team won 80% of its game this season. If the team won 12 games, how many games did it play? Solve the problem using at least 2 different methods. Well, let's see. We know they won 80%, which is really 80 out of 100. But they didn't play 100 games. So we know that they won 12. So that 80 gets turned into a 12 somehow. So what does the bottom get turned into? Well, here's where we run into a problem, because 80 is not evenly divisible by 12. So this method's not going to work for us. So let's think of it in a different way. So we have 80 out of 100. And another way of saying that is 8 out of 10, or 4 out of 5. Now let's think about it this way. 4/5. Hey, is 12 divisible by 4? Does that make sense? Yeah. So to get that 4, you had to multiply by 3. And if you do it to the top, you got to do it to the bottom. That works both ways. So 5 times 3 is 15. Hey, so they played 15 games. There we go. So our second method worked just fine. All right, in your small groups, let's work through the exercises. Get her done.